That plane just dropped us off in Hawaii. And now we're standing next to the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. Now, we don't have much time since there's so many creators here waiting to get in line to film this truck. So let's get right into it. Let's start off with the most important part, the thing that everyone wanted to know about, the powertrain. This brand new 2024 Toyota Tacoma is going to have a 2.4 liter turboed 4-cylinder. It's going to be paired up with an electric battery that's going to give you 326 horsepower. Not only that, an insane 400 foot-pound of torque. Now that we finished talking about the power plant, let's talk about what the outside holds. Brand new headlights, brand new fog lights, the grille is completely different, and you also get an LED light bar. Moving along, the side is one of my favorite parts. It is extremely bulky, it is extremely thick, and I mean those all in the best way possible. The roof is also missing. I mean, it's not, but they two-toned it to make it look like it is, and I gotta say, that is very nice. To an untrained eye, they probably haven't realized it, but you, I know you, and you noticed it. 33s from the factory, 265 70 R18. 18-inch wheels on a TRD Pro, that is absolutely insane. They also got black door handles and black mirror caps. I don't know about you, but to me, it makes the truck look a million times better. Now, let's move to the bed of the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Back here, it is an absolute show. First and foremost, we have the button that came off the Tundra. Not only that, now if you press that button again, it'll automatically lift your tailgate. Way to go, Toyota, that is money. Inside of the bed, you get a little cubby, you get your outlet, and then you also get an air compressor. I'm not entirely sure if that's gonna come stock, but it's very cool to see that it's an option. Now, in my opinion, the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro looks absolutely amazing. But that's not where it ends. We actually got exclusive access into the interior, but we can't go into the back because we're not allowed to film the back. I think that's what someone said that was actually there. I mean, I'm here, but the steering wheel is absolutely beautiful. I love the one in my truck now, and I was really scared that I wasn't gonna like the new one, but I love the new one. There's nothing on the steering wheel that I wouldn't want on the steering wheel, so kudos to you, Toyota, for doing it right. Moving over to the right, you can see all of the knobs. Thank you. You can see all of the buttons. Thank you again. It looks so good. Very tactile, very clean, so on the money, Toyota. I wonder what YouTubers being dropped off in that plane. I'm telling you, there's a lot of us out here in Hawaii. One thing I want to point out that I didn't see a lot of people talking about is that there's going to be heated and ventilated seats. Whether you're hot or cold in the Toyota Tacoma, the seats can assist you in feeling the opposite of what you're feeling, if that's what you want. Yeah, there's heated and cooled seats. But another thing that I saw is that it looks like an icon for a heated steering wheel. A Toyota Tacoma with a heated steering wheel. Yes. The shift knob looks like something straight out of a RAV4, and I gotta say, when I used to sell Toyotas, the RAV4 interior and shift knob was by far my favorite. 2 USB-C ports, which, oh my gosh, thank you, Toyota, because ever since I got a USB-C port, I never wanted to use anything else. And if you didn't already notice, the massive 14-inch display, absolutely clutch. I mean, it is so good. And wireless Apple CarPlay. That means, hold on, I no longer need this cable. And I'm not gonna go get it because I don't need it anymore. I'm only picking this up because Sandy would be mad if I left it. Another thing about this TRD Pro is the infotainment cluster. 12.3 inches of pure goodness. It is not touchscreen, which I don't know why my brain thought it was, but it is a digital display. I knew this was coming. I didn't know I was gonna like it this much though. Very well done. It looks very sharp. The resolution looks very clear. Very well done. Alrighty, so I've had my turn with the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. I'm gonna let somebody else go ahead and have their fun, but there's still a lot more that I wanna talk about. A few things that just blew my mind about the brand new truck. There is going to be a 6-speed manual transmission. That is absolutely crazy. Kudos to you, Toyota. I can't say it enough. You guys did amazing on this brand new truck. Not only that, they're also gonna have an 8-speed automatic transmission, so that should solve the gear hunting issue that that the last generation Toyota Tacoma had. Another really cool thing is the sway bars. So the sway bar kind of keeps you from feeling like you're about to tip over. It helps you in high-speed maneuvering, but if you disconnect that, it'll give you more articulation. Now, I've heard of other manufacturers being able to disconnect it, and I never thought in my wildest dream that Toyota included it in a Toyota Tacoma. You can disconnect the sway bar in a Toyota Tacoma. Yes. Of course, you got the rear locking differential. You got a new and updated multi-terrain select system. So from my understanding, everything that the last Tacoma had now is in the new one and is way better. Another really cool thing that they have are the isodynamic performance seats. Those things look absolutely crazy, and being able to stand next to them and actually touch them and feel them, they are absolutely money. I'm excited to see what they actually perform like. I hear it's like a gimbal that holds you while you're riding, and I'm not entirely sure, but I'm sure the next time that I'm in Hawaii, I'll be able to use them, or if wherever we're gonna be next time. Let me know what you guys think. I gotta catch my plane because I gotta get back home to Virginia. You think people believed I was in Hawaii?
I fucked up this Russell, we hustle, but then what the... Oh my...